Welcome to the part 2 of selection of a site for a food plant layout. Sat Shri Akal ji, I am Dr. Mansimran Kaur Randhawa. Now in the second part, we are going to talk about the availability of manpower. ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਲੇਬਰ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਕਿਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਮਿਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ. First of all, to set up in food industry, it's important that we get skilled labor in specific trades. Now, the wages rate, they depend upon the area which we are selecting for setting up of a food plant, whether it is an urban area or a rural area. Third part is, if we are considering cheap labor, definitely it is going to involve higher cost of their training. And if training is not provided, then this will lead to production decrease. Next part है कि what are the local laws and regulations? What are the ecological and environmental factors? First is local laws. Law definitely prohibits setting up of a food industry in an area which is environment sensitive. It means if it is environmental sensitive, then the food industry cannot be set up there. Other factors are water pollution, air pollution. If food industry is emitting a large amount of pollution, then also some considerations are to be taken for setting up of a food plant. Competition. Area where there is more competition, new units will not be established. And on the other hand, area where there is less or no competition, new industries can easily be set up. What are the incentives, land cost, subsidies for backward areas? Government offers several incentives like concession, cheaper land, assured and cheaper power supply so that backward area becomes more available for setup of an food industry. Climatic conditions plays an important role in setting up of a food industry. Like they vary from place to place. In a country, in India, is a big. We have an example. Now, area near to Baddi is much more good for setting up of a food plant or any other industry. Now, they depend upon the product which we have to manufacture because the climatic conditions they affect both the people and the manufacturing activities. It affects human efficiency and behavior to a great extent. So this factor is to be considered very minutely. Then we have political conditions. Political stability is an essential part for an industrial growth. Political stability builds confidence, sense of security among the community. Beside these things, basic amenities like housing, school, colleges, recreational facilities, municipal services must be provided. Lack of these facilities make people hesitant and disinterested to move to such location for work. Other criteria which are to be taken into consideration are community selection, facilities to be provided, attitude, waste disposal, ecology and pollution, site size, topography, transportation facilities, supporting industries and services. This is all about selection of a food plant site. Thank you so much.